Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Again, we meet up for the chapter 4 session. But for today, we are going to learn subtopic 4.4 with the title of fertilization and also pregnancy process. Okay, this is a fertilization. Remember we learned before this of 4.1 when the sperm and also ovum meet up, sexual reproduction and internal fertilization. This is the continuation. So here we have the sperm from the male parents and also ovum from the female parents. When they meet up and combine, they will undergo fertilization process. So what is actually fertilization process? Fertilization process is the process when the nucleus of the sperm combine with the nucleus of the ovum. So that is fertilization. Again, fertilization is the process when nucleus of sperm meet or combine with the nucleus of the ovum. So after fertilization, the cell will divide to form a zygote. So this is the zygote. Okay, all these things occur inside fallopian tube. So this is the picture or the diagram of a female reproductive system, and this is actually the fallopian tube. We have two. One is on the right side and also the left side. So the bigger picture of the fallopian tube is here. So this is ovary, the place where ovum is released. So after the ovum release, the ovum will be inside fallopian tube. So all of this is fallopian tube. So when the ovum is inside fallopian tube, the sperm will penetrate or will combine with the ovum. So this is actually the process of fertilization that occur inside fallopian tube. So after fertilization occur, the zygote will divide to form a few cells. Okay, so this is the zygote. The zygote will divide, undergo cell division until 8 cell stage or more than that, and also later they will implant or attach inside the uterus of the female womb. Okay, so this is again the process of fertilization. First, the ovum is released from the ovary. Ovum will fertilize with the sperm and it will form zygote. Zygote will undergo cell division until they attach inside or on the surface of the uterus wall. Okay, after that, so this is all the stages in fertilization and also pregnancy. So the first, the sperm will swim and fertilize with ovum, must be in fallopian tube. Later, the fertilization will produce a zygote or the cell division. Okay, the zygote will undergo more cell division to form embryo, and the embryo will move from the fallopian tube to the uterus wall and attach on the uterus wall. And also from the embryo, it will form a fetus, and also fetus will form a complete baby. So as summarization, this is the flow chart. Sperm from the male meet with the ovum from the female. They will fertilize to form zygote. From the zygote, they will develop to form embryo. Here in uterus wall, they will attach. From embryo, they will form fetus. And from the fetus, later they will form baby. Okay, so this is the picture. Embryo development stage inside the uterus of woman. First, this is about 1 to 4 weeks. Okay, the embryo will form a small tail. Okay, this 1 to 4 weeks. Okay, this one is from 5 to 9 weeks. Okay, development of the eyes and also ears and small fingers ears. Okay, so this one is embryo. After that, okay, they will form fetus. Okay, fetus will be more like babies but not complete babies lah. After the fetus, okay, following week 20 to 20 weeks onwards, okay, this one will be fetus and more like babies, the complete babies and perfect babies. And after that, the fetus will be attached to the woman womb. And also here, if you able to see, the fetus will make sure that the head will be downwards before they will release from the female cervix. So this it will be embryo development stage. Okay, okay. This is inside the woman wombs or uterus, the placenta and also umbilical cord. Okay, this is how babies looks like inside the woman uterus. Okay, firstly, this is the fetus. Okay, and this will be the uterus of the female. Okay, this is umbilical cord. This is the placenta. Babies will live inside the amnion. Amnion, which is like a membrane, cover the babies, and inside here there will be amniotic fluid. Okay, so this is what happened inside the woman's womb. Okay, now one by one, placenta. Okay, remember this is placenta. Okay, this is placenta, very important. Okay, what is placenta? Placenta formed from mother's tissue and embryo's tissue. Okay, this is the place where exchange of nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and also excretory products between moms and fetus bloods. Okay, or in other words, this is the place all how babies get food and also get oxygen to breathe. Okay, now umbilical cord. Okay, this is this one. This is umbilical cord. Okay, what is umbilical cord? The tube that connecting fetus and placenta. So this is the tube where babies and mothers are connecting between one another, because there are blood vessels to carry blood and also to carry all the nutrients from the fetus and from the mom. Okay, and so amnion, this is a membrane that form bladder and contain fluid that we call amniotic fluid. Okay, what is amniotic fluid? They will act as a cushion to absorb variation and prevent fetus from injuries. So baby is like swimming inside the uterus of the mommy. Okay, uterus wall consists of muscle wall, the place where embryo attach and develop inside the woman's womb. Okay, so that's all about the pregnancy, the process of pregnancy, and how the baby develop inside the woman's womb. What is most important is you must remember how the development of the baby, starting from fertilization, from zygote, from embryo, fetus, and later the complete babies. And also you must remember what or how the babies will get nutrients and what is the function of placenta and also umbilical cord. So we will meet you for the next subtopic 4.5 later. Thank you.